Welcome to our Algebra series. Today, we are going to master percent increase and decrease. This is a fundamental skill for understanding how values change over time, whether it is calculating the growth of a population or figuring out a discount at a store. First, let's define what we mean by percent change. It simply describes how much a number has changed compared to where it started. We have two main types. Percent increase happens when the value goes up, meaning the new number is bigger. Percent decrease happens when the value goes down, meaning the new number is smaller. To calculate this, we use one golden formula. We take the new value minus the original value, divide that result by the original value, and finally multiply by 100. The most important part to remember is that the bottom number, the denominator, is always the original value. Let's look closer at the top part of the fraction. When you subtract the original value from the new value, the sign of your answer tells you everything. If the result is positive, you have an increase. If the result is negative, you have a decrease. It is that simple. Let's apply this to a real example. Imagine a sunflower that was 50 centimeters tall last week, but has grown to 65 centimeters today. Our original value is 50, and our new value is 65. Now we plug those numbers into our formula. 65 minus 50 gives us 15. We then divide 15 by the original 50, which gives us 0.3. Finally, multiplying by 100 converts that decimal into a percentage, giving us a 30% increase. Now let's try a decrease. Suppose a video game used to cost $60 but is now on sale for $45. Here, 60 is our starting point, or original value, and 45 is the new value. Using the same formula, we subtract 60 from 45. This gives us negative 15. We divide negative 15 by the original 60 to get negative 0.25. Multiplying by 100 gives us negative 25%. The negative sign confirms it is a 25% decrease. Here is a warning about the most common mistake students make. Do not ever divide by the new number. Always divide by the starting original number. If you get the denominator wrong, the whole answer will be incorrect. To recap, use the formula new minus original divided by original. A positive answer means the value went up, and a negative answer means it went down. And don't forget to multiply by 100 at the end to get your percentage. Thanks for learning with us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.